To set the current page as the default home page on the Samsung Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app. Open the desired website you like to set as the default home page. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right. Tap Setting. Tap Home page and then select Current page. To see the result, tap the back key twice. Tap the tabs icon at the bottom right and then tap New tab. You can see that Samsung Internet app will always open the page you set as the default home page each time you open a new tab. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.